We are excited to share an explanatory video about our project, the InternScope, a website designed as a centralized platform for internships. So this is a project overview that it is a web-based platform for internships. The main purpose is to bridge the gap between students and companies. So the challenge that was faced was the lack of centralized internship platform.
Now that we have understood the challenges students and internship finders face, let's explore how InternScope addresses these issues by exploring its objectives and key features. Basically, InternScope is designed to benefit three main users. For students, it is easy internship exploration website. It helps students to create profile, manage their profile, and track their application. For employees, it efficiently helps finding suitable candidates and seamless communication and management has been performed. And for admin, what admin can do, it can manage the users, it can list the approval and rejection, and it can also monitor the platform. For features, we can see that there are three main features: search, profiles, and application. The student or the applicant can search any type of internship at any location, any domain, and it can also edit their profile, add or remove resumes or information and experience details, and also they can track their application system. And by integrating these features, InternScope simplifies the internship search and hiring process. And with the objectives, the InternScope has structured the hustle-free process for internship.
Let's take a look at the technology behind this platform and how it functions at a system level. First is the frontend. We have developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with Bootstrap for responsive design. For backend, we are using PHP for server-side logic to handle requests, process data, and interact with the database efficiently. For database, MySQL is used for storing user data, internship listing, and application records securely. Let's move on the system architecture, which is divided into three layers. First is the application layer, which handles all the interfaces for users, and second is the application layer. There is backend logic processes requests and manage authentication and handles data operations. Third is the database layer. All user profile, internship listing, and application records are stored here. The structure architecture allows a seamless and organized workflow between users and the system. Let's move on the roles and functions of the users. InternScope operates with three main user roles: students, employees, admins, each having distinct responsibilities. Like student can register and create profiles, also can search and apply for internships, also can track application status, while employers can register and post internship listings, review application and shortlist, and also can communicate with potential interns. And the last, admins. Admins can monitor platform activities and can approve or reject internship listings and can manage user accounts and resolve issues. Each role play a vital part in the maintaining the platform's efficiency and usability.
Now that we have seen the different user roles, let's visualize how these roles and other key elements of InternScope interact. We'll start with the class diagram. Our class diagram defines how different components interact with InternScope, including user profiles, internship listings, applications, and platform management. This structured approach helps maintain a well-organized and efficient system. Let's move on to the sequence diagram. This diagram shows the application process. Student searches for internships, selects one, and applies. The system creates an application record linking the student and the internship and notifies the employer. The employer then reviews the application. This shows the dynamic interaction between the components. And finally, let's walk through the step-by-step process of a student applying for an internship through InternScope. The student registers and creates a profile, searches and applies for the internship, then the employer reviews the application and shortlists the candidates. The communication process takes place between the employer and the student. The admin oversees the platform operations to ensure smooth functionality. This structured workflow ensures transparency and efficiency in the hiring process. Now let's walk through the project timeline. Our project started on January 17th with planning and requirement gathering. By January 21st, we completed the UI design and database structures. From January 22nd and to 25th, we developed core features including authentication, internship postings, applications, and the advanced search function. Between January 26th and 28th, we tested the system, fixed bugs, and optimized performance. Finally, on January 29th and 30th, we conducted the final review, performed user testing, and submitted the project. With InternScope, we aim to simplify the internship search process, making it easier for students to find opportunities and employers to discover the right talent. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.